Good morning, James. I feel excited already.
Good morning, Anna. I feel happy seeing you today.
Today, I want to practice new English vocabulary.
Oh, nice. I also want to improve slowly today.
I think learning together feels more fun.
Yes, learning with a friend feels easier always.
So, what vocabulary should we practice first today?
Maybe we start with simple daily expressions first.
Yes, simple things help learners feel confident.
I agree, because clear vocabulary helps understanding.
Let us start with greeting words like hello, friends.
Oh, that is easy, but very important vocabulary.
We also need polite words like thank you.
Yes, polite vocabulary makes communication feel nicer.
Do you remember the word conversation?
Yes, conversation means two people talking together.
Good, because today we practice conversation skills.
I feel excited because this topic feels interesting.
Let us practice speaking with slow, clear pronunciation.
Yes, speaking slowly helps learners understand better.
Sometimes I speak too fast without noticing.
Oh, yes, but your voice still sounds friendly.
Thanks, James. I try to speak clearly every time.
You sound good, and learners feel comfortable listening.
Let us introduce new vocabulary like motivation today.
Motivation means the energy to keep learning something.
Good explanation. That is easy to understand.
Thank you, Anna. I try to make things simple.
Another useful word is routine for daily practice.
Routine means activities you do every day.
Yes, exactly. That is an important vocabulary word.
Oh, maybe we also teach the word focus.
Focus means to pay attention to something carefully.
Good. That is helpful for English learners indeed.
I feel like a friendly English teacher today.
You sound like one, and you teach with kindness.
Let us practice a natural greeting conversation.
Yes, a simple example helps learners understand clearly.
For example, hello, James. How are you today?
And I answer, I feel good. Thank you, Anna.
Yes, that sounds very natural for beginners.
Learners can copy this conversation easily and confidently.
Let us add more vocabulary, like schedule today.
Schedule means your plan or your time arrangement.
Yes, many people use schedules to stay organized daily.
Oh, I love schedules because they help my brain relax.
I sometimes forget my schedule completely.
Same here, but I try to improve every week.
Maybe we should teach the word progress.
Progress means slow improvement over time.
Yes, learning English needs progress, step by step.
Oh yes, learners should not worry about perfection.
Exactly. Perfection is less important than progress.
That message makes learners feel less stressed.
Let us do a small emotional expression practice now.
Emotional expressions help conversations sound real.
For example, oh wow, I understand this easily.
Or, I need more time to learn.
Yes, these simple sounds make speech more natural.
Learners will feel more confident using expressions.
Let us also teach the word confidence today.
Confidence means believing you can do something.
Exactly. I feel more confidence when I practice slowly.
I feel confidence too when someone supports me.
We support each other very well indeed.
Yes, friendship makes learning more enjoyable.
Let us teach vocabulary related to emotions today.
Good idea, because emotions appear in real conversations.
For example, happy, nervous, curious, and relaxed.
Oh, these words are very useful for describing feelings.
Yes, feelings help listeners understand the speaker better.
Emotional vocabulary makes conversations more interesting.
Let us practice a feeling sentence for learners.
Good idea. Maybe something simple and natural.
For example, I feel nervous before meetings sometimes.
Or I feel excited when learning something new.
That sounds exactly like today's conversation.
Yes, today feels like a fun learning moment.
Let us add vocabulary about everyday objects.
Yes, objects help learners practice real daily English.
For example, notebook, phone, water bottle, and chair.
Oh, simple items are perfect for beginner practice.
Learners can describe objects around them easily.
Yes, describing things helps build vocabulary slowly.
Let us practice describing an object together now.
Good idea. I can describe my notebook today.
All right, please describe it slowly for learners.
My notebook is black and feels soft in my hands.
That is a clear sentence and easy to understand.
Thank you, Anna. I try to explain things carefully.
Let us now teach conversation vocabulary like respond.
Respond means to answer someone during conversation.
Yes, responses make conversation flow naturally and smoothly.
Oh, many learners forget to respond clearly sometimes.
Yes, they feel shy, but they can improve.
Practice helps remove fear slowly over time.
Let us teach speaking techniques for beginners today.
Good idea. Simple techniques help learning a lot.
For example, learners should speak slowly with confidence.
And they should listen carefully to understand correctly.
Yes, listening is as important as speaking practice.
Listening skills help learners catch new vocabulary.
Let us add more vocabulary like practice daily.
Practice means repeating something to improve slowly.
Oh, practice makes skills stronger every week.
Yes, daily practice helps the brain remember words.
My brain sometimes forgets vocabulary quickly.
Same here, Anna. We are both human learners.
Let us create a short example dialogue for learners.
Yes, examples help learners use vocabulary correctly.
For example, what new word did you learn today?
And I answer, I learned the word motivation today.
Good example. Simple and useful for practice.
Learners can repeat it many times for improvement.
Let us teach how to express confusion politely.
Oh, that is very helpful for communication.
For example, sorry, I do not understand clearly.
Or, could you explain again?
Yes, these polite sentences help conversations stay friendly.
Learners need them during real communication situations.
Let us talk about confidence again today.
Confidence grows when learners speak without fear.
Yes, mistakes are normal and part of learning English.
Oh, I make mistakes too, and I still learn daily.
Mistakes make us better speakers in the end.
That is true. Mistakes help growth slowly.
Let us teach the word encourage for motivation.
Encourage means to support someone kindly.
Yes, we encourage learners to keep going courageously.
We want them to feel proud of themselves.
Learning English takes time, but it is worth it.
Yes, the journey feels long but enjoyable overall.
Let us finish with a warm message today.
Yes, a warm message helps learners feel positive.
To all learners, keep practicing a little every day.
You will improve slowly with consistent effort daily.
Do not worry about mistakes. Everyone makes them.
Yes, mistakes help you grow stronger with time.
Thank you for learning English with us today.
We feel happy and proud of your progress.
You make learning feel fun and comfortable.
Yes, your energy makes our practice enjoyable.
We hope this conversation helps your English growth.
Please keep learning and listening every day.
We believe you can speak confidently soon.
Your English journey will continue beautifully.
Oh, thank you for joining our friendly conversation.
We really appreciate every learner watching today.
Please stay motivated and keep practicing happily.
See you next time for more warm English conversations.